Hey Maths Warriors, are you tired of those long, boring integration solution and calculation? Well, today I am about to drop a super trick that will make solving definite integration faster than your Wi-Fi on a very good day. So buckle up and stay with me, because once you will learn this, you will be solving the definite integral problem in seconds, and you will be solving the problem faster than you skip the ads on YouTube. So let's crack it. This is the second video in the definite integration shortcut. So here I have some problem. Let me write the answers first, and you see how much time I'm gonna take to write the answer for these problems. After that I'll explain you the trick also. So you see, the answer for the first problem will be pi by 40. The answer for the second problem will be pi by 2 root 15. The answer for the third problem will be pi by 6 root 7. And the answer for this fourth problem should be pi by 16 root 11. Yes, this is so easy to write these answer for these type of problem. So are you excited to know how I am writing the answers very fast? Let's see that. For that, you need to understand the format first. So the format is, the limit should be given from 0 to pi by 2. If the limit is given from 0 to pi by 2, which is given in the most of the cases, so then if the format is dx divided by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now keep in mind, the position of a and b can be changed. Like it can be a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. It doesn't make any difference. Plus there it is not compulsory that a and b should be perfect square. As you can see in the previous problem, I have taken the numbers which was not perfect square. So but we know, if I have given you 7, how to write in a perfect square form, it should be root 7 whole square. So we can use like that. So the format is, the limit should be given from 0 to pi by 2 and dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. If this is the format, then how we are going to write the answer? What should be the solution? Solution will be pi divided by 2ab. That's it. That should be our answer. If you want to know the solution, how to find the answer using the traditional method, so for that I have written the solution also. You can go through this. Generally what we do is, for these type of problem, first we divide with cos square x, then we are going to take tan x as t, and we will replace x square by using the substitutions. X square x dx will become dt. We'll change the limit, and we are gonna use the formula dx divided by x square plus a square. This formula we will use, and after using the formula and substituting the limit, we will end up with the same answer. So if this kind of problem you are getting in your exam, then keep in mind that I have told you to apply the best trick, that is pi divided by 2ab. So if you have understood, then take the do by yourself problem in the homework. I will wait for your answers in the comment. So you can give me the answer in the comment, and that's how, I hope you understood, that's how we are gonna solve these type of problem. That's how you solve definite integral problem like a pro. If you got a tricky problem, integration problem, drop it in the comment box, and I might just get feature in my next video. Until then, keep calculating, and I'll see you in the next one.